Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming another friendship bracelet video since on the last two I got really good feedback and you can click the I to see those. But anyways, today's video is on I believe it's called the Twisted Ribbon bracelet. And this is a really cool design that I discovered a couple weeks ago. And that's basically it for the intro, so let's get started. Alright, so first I have 3 colors of string. I'm using a light purple, navy, and like a periwinkle color. Then you'll need 1 extra color, which won't really be visible. So the first 3 colors should be about the length of your wingspan, which for me was equal to around 5 feet and 9 inches. So first you're going to grab both ends of your string and fold them in half. So there should be a little loop like this at the top. And your last string should be about the length of the other 3 when they're folded. So now just take all the string and make a little knot at the top. Then just tape it onto a flat surface to work on. I separated my string by color, making sure to keep the extra one on the far right. Go ahead and make a 4 knot like so. Do this twice. Then with that same piece of string, go through each color and make your 2 4 knots. Once you reach the last one, make your 4 knot and then leave your string to the right of that. Repeat this with the second string of that same color. Now your first color should be on the far right. Now repeat this with every color, stopping after you've done the extra string. Your non-visible string should be on the far left. Now just go through the same process but doing backwards 4 knots and starting from the right. After you do this, your extra color should be back on the right side. Now just keep doing this until your design is long enough to form a bracelet. At the end, I just made a little knot. So here's just a quick view of the pattern. I think it looks really cool and it seems a lot more difficult than it actually is. And I made mine adjustable, so if you want to know how to do that, just click the I. So that's basically it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions for videos, please leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!